Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix SteamTools purchases error. Many SteamTools purchase or license errors started appearing after newer Steam updates in 2026, and community reports suggest it is often caused by compatibility issues between Steam updates and SteamTools. First, try clearing your Steam download cache by opening Steam, going to Settings, and then Downloads, and selecting Clear Download Cache, then confirm and restart Steam. This forces Steam to refresh temporary data and can fix corrupted session or update conflicts. Next, update or reinstall Steam Tools by uninstalling it from your system and then downloading and reinstalling the latest version from the official setup file. After installing, restart Steam again to ensure the tool properly integrates with the client. If the issue still continues, it is most likely due to temporary incompatibility between Steam and Steam Tools, meaning you may need to wait for a future update that restores full support and fixes the purchase or license system. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.